Hey, everyone. Welcome back, and today we've got a fantastic recipe for you. Potato latkes. Whether you celebrate Hanukkah or just love crispy, golden brown goodness, these potato pancakes are a must-try. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our delicious recipes. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 4 large potatoes, 1 onion, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, salt and pepper to taste, vegetable oil for frying. Prep work. First things first, peel and grate the potatoes. You can use a box grater or a food processor for this step. Once grated, transfer them to a clean kitchen towel and squeeze out as much liquid as possible. Nobody likes soggy latkes. Onion magic. Next, finely chop the onion. The onion adds a wonderful flavor to the latkes. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even caramelize the onions for an extra layer of sweetness. Mix it up. In a large bowl, combine the grated potatoes, chopped onions, eggs, flour, baking powder, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together until you have a thick, well-combined batter. Heat things up. Now, let's get our pan ready. Heat a generous amount of vegetable oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. You want it hot enough to make those latkes crispy. Fry them up. Scoop up a spoonful of the batter and carefully drop it into the hot oil. Flatten it with the back of the spoon to create a pancake shape. Fry each latke for about 3-4 minutes per side or until they're golden brown and crispy. Drain and enjoy. Once they're done, transfer the latkes to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. And there you have it, crispy, delicious potato latkes. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking, and we'll see you in the next video.